Hello, everybody. Today we're going to talk about MyEBSCO, how to set up an account, how it works, and just the basics of understanding MyEBSCO because it's a really helpful tool. So, first things first, we're going to want to go over to the three dashes in the top right corner. Click on that and go to Library Resources. Now, you can do one of two things. You can search right here, or you can go to Databases and Electronic Resources and search. But for the sake of simplicity, we're going to type something random and go ahead and hit search. And then you'll see at the top right, we have the MyEBSCO right here. So if you just click on that, it gives you an option to create an account or sign into MyEBSCO. If you're going to create an account because you've never used it before, make sure to put your Eagle's email in here, as well as your first name, last name, and whatever password you wish. For my sake, I'm going to sign in because I already have an account. And it's really just as simple as that. Now we can go in and let's use this academic journal. Say this is exactly what I need for a paper. We can do this. We can go in and save it and unsave it and add it to a project. And then you can either choose a pre-existing project or you can create a new project. So we're going to add it to a pre-existing project. And it will tell you whether or not that's already in there. So it looks like this one is already in there, so you don't have to go back and resave it or go through a bunch of saves of the same one. Then we go over to the left side where it says projects right here. And we can see our projects as well as all of the articles that we have saved under each project. Now, this is a great way to save articles from your search that you may or may not want to use later. You don't have to keep all of your articles in the long run. It's just nice to have everything sitting in a organized way in which you can go back and look through to see which one you want to have. So say you need 4 articles, you save 6. You can go through the 6 that you have and pick out your best 4. It's just a really simple tool that allows you to do research papers and research assignments in an easier way.